My name is Dr. Susan. I am with my team TS Benny. Would like to introduce to you our innovation in managing documentation for workshop and laboratory, especially in civil engineering department and electrical engineering department. Before I proceed, I would like to introduce our team member for this innovation. As you can see here, this is our team member for this innovation project called Pengurusan Bengkel Makmal PBM. At the left view is me, Dr. Susan, and at your right view is my teammate TS Benny. With permission, I would like to proceed on the introduction. In today's fast-paced research environment, efficient management of laboratory and workshop is crucial. Traditional workshop and laboratory management systems often struggle with inefficiency, lack of transparency, and limited data-driven insight, leading to waste resources, delay in providing reports, and suboptimal utilizations of equipment and facilities. As for the problem statement, the absence of a systematic approach to data management can lead to a multitude of problems, hindering an organization's ability to leverage data effectively and achieve its goal. To address this challenge, we introduced the Pengurusan Bengkel Makmal PBM apps, a comprehensive solution designed to streamline and optimize laboratory or workshop operation. Pengurusan Bengkel Makmal PBM apps is a powerful tool designed to revolutionize laboratory and workshop management. These user-friendly platforms offer a range of features that simplify equipment tracking, streamline maintenance schedule, and provide real-time insight into inventory levels. PBM is accessible through Google Sites and Codula applications and serve as a reference center for laboratory and workshop management in civil engineering and electrical engineering department. This innovative platform empowers lab or workshop supervisor to manage their lab or workshop efficiently and effectively. Let's look at the objective of this innovation project. So we have 5 objectives here. The first objective is to increase efficiency in data management. The second one is to improve transparency in data management. Third is to provide data-driven optimizations. And then the fourth one is to enhance safety and compliance in terms of equipment maintenance. The fifth one is to improve collaborations among stakeholders. This is our conceptual design. We begin this innovation project by creating PBM apps. After that, we go for the survey questions and we come out with the feedback and impact. For creating PBM apps, in PBM apps itself is divided into 2 parts. One is for civil engineering department, another one is for electrical engineering department. Each department has folder for every lab and workshop. In every lab or workshop, they have a subfolder for 4 major documentations. One is an asset management file. Second one is a workshop and equipment usage files or records. Third one is asset maintenance and inspections record. And the last one is a movable asset valuations file. For the survey questions, the aim is the effectiveness of the PBM usage and the relevance of PBM content and also the impact of PBM on a work performance, also the overall satisfactions and suggestion for improvement, and the last one is a user experience. As you can see here, this is the area of focus on PBM innovation apps. Our aim is to increase the efficiency in data management, to improve transparency in data management, to provide data-driven optimizations, and to enhance safety and compliance in terms of equipment maintenance. And the last one is to improve the collaboration among stakeholders. Our respondent for these innovations apps is a civil engineering lab or workshop supervisor and also electrical engineering lab and workshop supervisor. As for the feedback and impact, they were divided into 5 parts. The first one is the effectiveness of PBM usage. Second one is the relevance of PBM contents. Third one is the impact of PBM on work performance. Number 4 is the overall satisfaction and suggestion for improvement. Last one is the user experience. As a methodology, we conduct a survey on the relevance and effectiveness of PBM apps. One is to determine the effectiveness of PBM usage. Number 2 is to determine the relevance of PBM content. Number 3 is to determine the impact of the PBM in work performance. Number 4 to determine overall satisfaction and suggestion for improvement. And the last one is to get perceptions on user experience. Introducing our Pengurusan Bengkel Makmal apps. This is the interface of Pengurusan Bengkel Makmal. If you can see here, the interface is divided into 2 parts. One is Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam, another one is Jabatan Kejuruteraan Elektrik. Let's take a tour for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam. All you have to do is just click on the icon of the Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam. When you click the icon of Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam, there is a sub-icon in Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam. One of it is a mengenai PBM, meaning the introduction of the PBM. Another one is a high-rec, pengurusan aset alih, buku rekod penggunaan, borang QPA, taklimat, rekod penyelenggaraan, and penilaian aset alih. Let's say we want to look into high-rec report. All we have to do is just click on the high-rec icon. If we click on the high-rec icon, if we can see here, for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam is divided into laboratory and workshop. So in Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam, as you can see here, this is the laboratory and also workshop that we have in Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam. One is bengkel bata, bengkel kayu, bengkel pipe, makmal geotek, makmal hydraulic, makmal jalan raya, makmal konkrit, makmal quality air, makmal structure, and makmal ukur. Let's say we want to look into the high-rec report for bengkel bata. So what we have to do is just click on the bengkel bata. So if we click on the bengkel bata, they will come out appear like this, and then you just click on the PDF. So you will see this is the high-rec report for bengkel bata. So everyone who want to look into the high-rec report for bengkel bata can do the same, which is just click on the high-rec icon and choose which laboratory or workshop you want to review. When you're done, just click on X button and then click back. So you'll be back to the front page. If you want to go back to the home page, you can click Kembali. Then the Kembali button will bring you to the interface of PBM. This is the user manual for PBM apps. This is PBM apps interface. PBM interface is divided into 2 categories. One category is for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam and the other one is for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Elektrik. Please click on the icon for any jabatan you would like to review. Let's say you would like to review for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam PBM documentation. Click on Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam icon. This interface will appear after clicking Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam icon. There are 8 submenu in this interface. The submenu are: number 1 is mengenai PBM, number 2 is high-rec, number 3 is pengurusan aset alih, number 4 is borang rekod penggunaan, number 5 is borang QPA, number 6 is taklimat, number 7 is rekod penyelenggaraan, and number 8 is pengurusan aset alih. You may click on any menu you would like to view. Let's say you want to view high-rec document, so click on high-rec icon to view the document. This interface will appear after clicking Hierarchy icon. For Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam, we have 7 laboratory and 3 workshop. Let's say you would like to view Hierarchy document for Bengkel Bata. So just click on Bengkel Bata. If you would like to view on Hierarchy document for Makmal Struktur, just click on Makmal Struktur. This interface will appear after clicking Hierarchy Bengkel Bata. So click on the PDF file and Hierarchy document for Bengkel Bata will appear. Repeat the same step for other workshop or laboratory you would like to view. Click on X button to close the open document. This interface will appear after clicking X button. Click Kembali button to go back to previous page. By clicking Kembali button, you will be redirected to this interface. By clicking PBM button at your upper right hand side, you will be redirected to the main page. This is the interface for main page. Repeat the same steps for any document you would like to view. As for the feedback, this is the feedback for survey question section A, section B, section C, section D, section E, and section F. As for summary, for the section A, in a respondent profile, we can say that PBM is actively leveraged by user and PBM is actively used by user. Summary for section B in effectiveness of PBM usage are PBM is very helpful and effective in facilitating workshop and laboratory management. PBM also a user-friendly platform and very easy to use. PBM is an easily operated apps and do not require additional training to use. PBM also do not require much time to access information and users are very satisfied with the time takes to access information on PBM. PBM also very helpful in maintaining accurate and up-to-date documentation. For section C summary or relevance of PBM content, PBM content is very relevant to workshop and laboratory management needs. Workshop and laboratory supervisors only update PBM when there is need to update. PBM does assist in ensuring laboratory safety. PBM make it easier to make decisions related to laboratory management, and PBM provide a complete information. For section D summary on the impact of PBM on work performance, PBM improve productivity at works. PBM does greatly help in reducing error in laboratory management. PBM very helpful in assisting in monitoring works and reporting laboratory assets. PBM very helpful in assessing and improve laboratory management practice. And overall rating says that PBM is very effective. For section E summary, which is the overall satisfaction and suggestion for improvement, overall rating says that PBM is very effective. Users satisfied with the technical support provided for PBM. PBM does great contributes to improving the quality of teaching and learning at JKA and JKE. PBM needs improvement in terms of upgrade to mobile apps, more infographic using AI technology, interface more attractive, and able to access online. User would highly recommend PBM to other colleagues. As for summary in sections F, which is a user experience, User experience very good in assessing and using PBM. User not encounter technical issue when using PBM. PBM greatly support professional needs in workshop and laboratory management. All respondents says PBMs is easy to access and easy to get information. And as for suggestions, interface and infographic, change in the form of Android and applications, add more graphic and create mobile apps for PBM. Based on the feedback and the impact, we can say that this innovation project called Pengurusan Bengkel Makmal (PBM) has successfully achieved the objective in number one, increasing efficiency in data management, which we can see from the feedback on section B. And the second one is the PBM has successfully achieved the objective in improve the transparency in data management, as you can see in feedback on section C. And the third one is provide data-driven optimizations, which we can see from the feedback on section D. And the fourth one, to enhance safety and compliance in terms of equipment management, as we can see from the feedback on section C. And the last one, to improve the collaboration among stakeholders, that we can see from the feedback on section E and F. Till then, that's all from us. Thank you very much.